In this video, we will show you how to pay for Netflix using M-Pesa. If you guys want to get started with M-Pesa, you can use the links down in the description. First, dial *840 hashtag on your phone and accept the terms and conditions to opt in. Alternatively, open your M-Pesa app, select the Pay tab and choose GlobalPay. Then agree to the terms and conditions. In the M-Pesa app, customize your card and create it. You will receive an SMS with your card number and expiry date. Now, go to your Netflix account and choose your preferred plan. Then select credit or debit card as your payment method. Enter the virtual Visa card details from the M-Pesa app, card number, expiry date, and CVV. Submit the payment details and wait for a confirmation SMS from GlobalPay and M-Pesa. So that's how to pay Netflix using M-Pesa. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with M-Pesa. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.